to my balcony garden, where I share another amazing episode about my plants. Yeah, this is just another garden update, and this is about my green onion plant, or my onion plant. This has been with me for over 2 years. I haven't uprooted it to see what's underneath that soil. Is it an onion, or is it just a big old green onion? I don't know, but this is just a garden update about it. I will place a picture of it when I first put it. See? How about that? A while ago. But anyway, it's still growing, whatever it's doing. I don't bother. It's just an onion plant. I didn't think they would last this long, but oh well. Just another garden update. Thanks for watching.